AirPods have come to define magical wireless audio. To build on this, we set out to create the ultimate personal listening experience. Introducing AirPods Max.
Hello everyone, Mr. Tech here. Alright, so I'm sure you've already heard, Apple has just released their AirPods Max. These are available to order from today on the Apple Store and will be available for shipping on the 15th of December. These are retailing for $549 UK or $549 US. The newly released AirPod Max are Apple's first over-the-ear headphones. Specs include incredible high-fidelity audio, active noise cancelling, transparency mode, adaptive EQ, and spatial audio that can be found on the current AirPods Pro. Now, according to Apple's website, the AirPods Max has 9 microphones, 8 for active noise cancelling and 3 for voice pickup, although 2 of the microphones are shared with active noise cancelling and 1 additional. The AirPod Max boasts Apple's H1 headphone chip, which supports Bluetooth 5.0, increasing connection time and talk time. So according to Apple, with the AirPod Max you'll get 20 hours listening time on a single charge. It's worth mentioning, in the box you'll receive a Lightning to USB-C and a smart case, which you'll be able to charge the headphones. The AirPod Max has a minimal design that looks very luxurious, with curved and rounded edges just like the current Apple Watch. The headphones come in space grey, silver, green, sky blue and pink. So that basically sums it up. I have pre-ordered the AirPods Max and I will be doing a full review and unboxing, so please subscribe to keep updated. So that's all for today. Please like this video and subscribe, and catch you on the next one.